Boats and Ships, Part 1. Learn about boats and ships with me, Ms. Susan. I love riding in boats and ships. Do you? There are many kinds of boats. People have made boats for thousands of years. They are used for many reasons: traveling, fishing, business, moving stuff, fighting wars, and just for fun. There are many different kinds of boats. Big boats are often called ships. What kind of boats have you gone in? A rowboat is pointed at the front end but wide and flat at the back. Here's how to row a boat. You sit backwards from the direction you want to go. Use 2 oars to row, hold one in each hand, and the oars are held on to the boat by fitting into the oar locks. This man is rowing across a rather quiet pond. A canoe. Here's some Indians paddling a canoe. Each person uses only one paddle, holding it with 2 hands. Canoes come to a point at the front and the back, and they can be made of many things, like wood, tree bark, metal, plastic, or fiberglass. I just love canoeing. See how you paddle just on one side? A kayak is a small boat for 1 or 2 people. You sit very close to the water and use a paddle that has blades on both ends. Well, wait a minute, that's me in the picture. A motorboat is sometimes called a speedboat. It has a gas-powered motor, so it can go very fast. A motorboat goes so fast it can pull water skiers. The boat has a long rope with a handle for the skier to hold. Water skiing is really fun. Sailboats have big pieces of cloth called sails that get pushed by the wind. These people are sailing. Sailboats can go very fast when the wind is blowing. But it's quiet because there's no loud motor. Catamaran. Long ago, people in Southeast Asia invented this kind of sailboat that has 2 sides with water in the middle, and they can sail fast without tipping over, even in big waves. So people sailed from Asia all the way across the Pacific Ocean to many islands like Hawaii, where they made their new homes. And people still make catamarans today. Airboats have a giant fan which blows air out the back. That makes the boat go forward. The bottom of the boat is flat, so it can stay almost on top of the water. Airboats are used in the Florida Everglades. These people are looking for alligators. And here it comes. Everybody's taking pictures. This alligator's getting mighty close. Yikes! A tugboat is a small boat with enough power to pull giant ships. Tugboats help guide big ships when they are coming close to land or moving in a narrow canal. Tug means pull. This is London Bridge. It's a drawbridge, which means it lifts up to make space for the ship to go underneath. And the tugboat is pulling that big cruise ship. It has to go through without hitting either side, without hitting the top. And it looks like a perfect job. Way to go, tugboats. See, there's a second tugboat at the back helping keep it even. I bet you can guess what a houseboat is. You're right, it's a boat that's used as someone's home. People who live on houseboats often stay in one place for a long time, but since the house is floating on water, they can move it whenever they want. That's all for now. Hope you liked learning about boats. See Part 2 to learn about big ships. Bye for now, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.